So here we have a Jackery Explorer 1500. Not sponsored by Jackery or anything. We paid full price for this. What about the 2000 if they had any in stock? But it's the unit here with 4 solar panels. And we can charge this thing up in hour 2, 3, top it off with our solar panels, but we want to be able to charge our Airstream batteries as well with the same 4 solar panels. So what we have here is some MC4A connections bought from Amazon, simple stuff. To connect to the Jackery, what you need is what they call an 8mm jack, and it goes to male side to female side to MC4A adapters. Jackery panel connection, male coming to a female MC4 adapter on this end. And we'll need to trim the Amazon purchase one. It's a little bit too long and it doesn't actually make connection. I trimmed this one already, it's a little bit too close. I need to have it just a little bit further out. It's going to be maybe 1/8 of an inch that gets trimmed off that. I've checked this, it's a little bit long still, and I'm going to trim it a little bit straighter. I think I'm happy with that. It feels like it's making good connection. These Amazon cables have a little bit of a difference in the amount that you'll need to cut off if you were to put them onto the Jackery 8mm connection. For whatever reason, the sleeve that covers is a little bit variable in length, just basic quality control issues. These are my existing MC4 connectors in the fridge compartment of my trailer. I'm going to make my connections here for the Jackery panels. These are the MC4 connectors that we're going to add to this compartment, and I'm going to have to tidy up this wiring when I'm satisfied that everything's connected correctly. This is the first of 4 connectors, each one running directly to a Jackery panel. Now I can set up the first one and see how it's working. All right, deploying the first panel, see how we're doing. Out there and not shadowed. All right, so I'm pretty happy with this right now. We've got about 300 watts coming in. It's only 9 a.m. so far in the winter, so I expect that'll go up as the sun comes around. Yeah, pretty happy. For the cost of a few connectors to be able to take these panels and put them down to top up my batteries when we're boondocking, I feel like that's pretty exciting.